Ahodhya, who was an incarnation of Vishnu. Vishnu took this incarnation to annihilate the demon race that was obstructing the establishment of religious practices. The original epic was written by sage Valmiki. Ram is said to be the ideal match. The Ramayana is one of the two major epics of Hindu mythology. It narrates the tale of Ram, the prince of Ayodhya, who was an incarnation of Vishnu. Most other versions cover the period up to his coronation only. The prescribed text is based on the Ramayana written by Kaban in Tamil in South Indian language. We will assume that the text has been read and straight away begin discussion of some salient points. Lineage is very important in Hindu mythology, and we shall trace Ram's descent from the sun demigod. We shall study some different versions of the Ramayana and see how the mythology is a live subject. Earlier, we have seen how destiny is important in Hindu mythology. Now, we shall see how it affects some of the characters in the Ramayana. We shall discuss two elements involving Ram and Sita. These incidents apparently cast a blot on Ram's impeccable character. We shall see how a broader interpretation of events removes the blot. Then, we shall look at some of the female characters in the Ramayana and draw conclusions about the status of women in that society. Finally, we shall see how the Ramayana fits with the Campbell's model of mythological tales. We shall use the Indian epics retold and Hindu myths as texts. In addition, there is a wealth of material in Hindu mythology on the internet. We will make full use of this.
Ba't pinatatantyan?